In this video, we're going to see how to complete the technology component of your Week 3 discussion board in Math 203 using Excel. So I am assuming in this video that you have already completed parts 1 and 2, and you have also already completed the first 3 items under part 3 before watching this video. So that means you've already chosen an IQ test, you have looked up the mean and standard deviation of that test on the internet or from another source. You've talked about the empirical rule and you have selected a particular IQ score that you want to analyze. So for this example, we are talking about a test where the mean was 70. The standard deviation is 10, and the score we're looking at is 87. So your numbers will likely be different, but imagine here that we have some kind of a test. The mean score on the test is 70, the standard deviation of the test is 10, and we want to know the percentile for a person who scored an 87 on this test. And we're assuming here that this test score is normally distributed as the IQ test scores are. So to do this in Excel, we're going to go ahead and put the cursor wherever we want the final answer to be, and we're going to go up to Formulas, More Functions, Statistical. Now if this is normally distributed, that means we want to use the normal distribution functions, so we're going to go down to the N section, and we want this one that says Norm Dist. So we're going to click on that. So the X value here, what they're asking for is the score of interest. So here the score we were trying to find the percentile for was 87. So we're going to type 87 right here. You could also click on the cell where you typed the number if you typed it somewhere. You didn't actually have to type these numbers here. I just typed them so they'd be there for our visual reference. For the mean, again, the mean was 70, so we're going to put 70 there. The standard deviation was 10. And for cumulative, we're going to type the word true. So what true means is that we do want the cumulative probability all the way up to and including 87. We're not looking for some kind of a probability of just the number 87 itself. We want to know the cumulative probability, everything from 87 and less than 87. So we'll click OK. So this number right here is the percentile for a score of 87. So what this means is the probability that a person scored an 87 or less on this test is 0.955. That means that a person who scored an 87 has scored better than 95.5% of other people who took the test. So therefore we would conclude that that is a very high and very good score. That's it. That's all you need to do for your discussion board in week 3.